Hey guys, Coach here. Hey, one of the things that I've noticed over the years, and maybe you agree with me, maybe you don't, but have you ever noticed how some yards can just be very monochromatic, just green, coast to coast, up and down, everywhere is just green. And I'd like to throw an idea in your head that contrast and variegation really defines a landscape and can differentiate your landscape from everyone else's. Now, if you take a look around here, you will see green. There is no doubt. We live in a forest. There is green everywhere, but I've made it a very clear and important landscape value to our home to have some things that kind of stand out, that set it apart from just the green grass, the green trees, and everything that goes with Mother Nature up here. So you'll see things like these fire chief arborvitaes, the candy corn, Spirea, the cool splash, Diervillas, the August moon hostas, the most recent plantings that we did with the burgundy little devil Ninebarks and the Monet Weigelas, all of these tend to lend interest to your eye more than just the green. And I look at this landscape now compared to October 2023 when we moved in, and I think it has a lot more visual interest and a lot more pop, and I know it certainly sets itself apart to whatever other landscapes are in our general area. So when you have something like this, think about stepping outside that green box, using green still, but have your accent plants mixed in so that it turns out to be special. And make sure that those variegated plants are still the same type of plants that go in your zone and in your soil. Hope this helps a little bit. Bye for now.